Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to Ama Fans Wetu TV. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by the only fan with a PhD. Tami.
Stibo Ogranmiauti.
Mnati Maprara.
I'm not the man.
Yes.
Let me take this opportunity and read the State of the Nation address.
Talk.
As the Deputy President of MASA.
Oh.
Yes, the President of MASA, the Papa himself.
Yes.
Has sent me to read this letter.
Read, my brother.
But he wants to tell the nation that he is well.
Yes.
He's not sick. He's just taking a breather. He's taking a break from football as he, or during season, he has to go up and down through the length and breadth of this country.
Yes.
And he has served the country, not only, Kaizer Chiefs brand, but the South African football with honor and dignity.
Yes.
So I'd like to read the letter as it follows. It's very rude to read something before someone reads Mr. Kukun. No, I'm just saying that. You need to hear from me. It states the Sona State of the Nation address. Hands off Mangoba.
Yes.
Greetings in the name of the Cape of Good Hope. The Stellenbosch mafias have mechanicked the Sunflops. What a day to be alive.
Yes.
The sun is definitely gone down.
Right.
I can confidently say that downs are finally down.
You said that?
No, I'm just reading as it, yeah.
Sorry, Honorable.
Yeah. What a good news. News that comes with vitamin C. Kaizer Chiefs have not yet played an official match, but I declare them a better team than this Sunflops. Because despite them playing,
yes,
the number of goals we have are the same. Zero. What? What set us apart is that we haven't conceded. When the Stellenbosch mafias were practicing, they were busy celebrating Polokwane City's own goal. Bana babaloi. Silo swa go saseka. Silo swa manyunyu. Pelo ra xiyimo xa le henhla.
Yeah.
Mangoba Mngqithi is cooking. Please buy him an Coach of the Season award. We shall praise it. He deserves it. May the flag of MASA fly higher and higher under the Deputy President of MASA, Tami.
Yeah.
The only fan with a PhD. Bring back the good news to the founding member of, to the founding MASA, founding father of MASA rather. Yours sincerely, the chief in commander of MASA, the fan with fans.
Ansasha izandla bafethu. Machita batle lo shapa matsogo.
All right, Stibo, fast me out. There's one thing about me that people always I think I need to correct quite few things.
Talk.
If you can check, last season,
yes,
Sundowns hasn't lost a game, except that the game they lost against Cape Town City, Ekijileng Maubane. That was the only game that they haven't lost. I mean, they lost.
Yes.
Under Coach Rulan Mukwena. There were draws there, and I was busy alluding to saying they are a drawing machine. At some point, I did say.
Yes.
And you would understand that because Sundowns has not been losing, my analysis would look like or would sound the same. Because this team was not losing, they were winning most of the games and drawing and stuff.
Yes.
Hence some other people would then mistake me to saying I am jealous of Sundowns.
Yes.
I've been saying to this, even you know, when the season, when Habadlala le Polokwane City, I have judged them according to their monumental standard. I'm talking about a team that would buy a player, and we have to talk about, if football is business, we have to talk about the finances of business. When you judge Real Madrid, Barcelona and everything, you have to start from the business spectrum of football. That's why Moroka Swallows was tactically with well approached. They were well approached to run a business of football, but they missed it when it comes to the business of football. So we have to talk from football, from the business side. If you are able to buy a player with 60 million, 10 million, like Lutwa criticize about Gilberto and stuff, it's because of such things. We judge teams based on that before Rekenella.
Yes.
There's no hate, it's just the reality of things.
Yes.
People will always judge you according to that.
Yes.
You understand? So we don't hate Sundowns. Even now, I did say Kapulukwane Karabatu, and but Sundowns and stuff.
Yes.
It's because we can see Stibo, we can tell even the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes how change the philosophy of the team. Remember, Sundowns did not play the way they were. The problem here is not the absence of Rulani Mokoena.
What's the problem?
It's not that's not the problem. Sundowns has been long playing shoeshine and piano. Even before Rulani Mokoena and everything. But I was Joel Fire Masilela.
Yeah.
You understand? But I was Roger Fitumba of this game.
Yes.
They will tell you that people, even a normal fan was Sundowns can tell you Sundowns is Jala Joang. This is not new. We understand Sundowns is Jala carpet football.
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt. And I'm not saying what Mangoba Mniti is trying to cook here.
Yes.
It's wrong. Or anything. He is just using a wrong tactics on a different philosophy. Remember, Sundowns has a structure, the way Jalanga thing,
yes,
from development, even from the history of team. And to change that, I did say you need to win the hearts and the people. Because, Stivo, when you've got a plan, or when you're an architect, I'm not an architect or anything.
Yes.
You need to draw the structure according to the way into the grounds. Beside, we're going to we're going to build the same house. You check where are we going to build these houses. You bring the original, the existing structure, which is a winning team that hasn't lost anything the whole season. Sundowns here Rulani Mokoena. From Pitso Msimane. He improved it, and now I'm here. What am I taking from here going forward? Not to come here and demolish the whole thing like I've alluded last time.
Yes.
Because let me say it very easy. I'm not the one to be advocating or people should be fired. He's going to fire himself because of arrogance.
Is it?
And being stubborn.
Is
we will
it?
not shy away from it. He was just supposed to say, gents, let's swallow our pride. Anything.
Yeah.
I'm just giving you the PhD analysis. It's too much.
Yeah.
The tactics, anything. He was there when this thing was cooked. He was there. He was there.
Why say?
Now I don't want to waste my time and be talking about things that are not the problem. This is not the problem here. The problem is not the tactics. It's not whatsoever. You can talk the tactics and whatsoever. He's exposing the politics of the team. He is showing now that Rulani Mokoena had his team. Political, I'm talking about the political side of football.
Yes. Something
that they will not give you understand, elsewhere.
Yes,
this is our friends way. We are not biased, we are not bought, we'll bring it raw as it is.
Yes.
I cannot go 4-4-2, 4-3-2-1 more.
Yes.
We know Stellenbosch Neswa Pressa from Kamrao. Rubonu Mjela was man of the match, upper number 10. We saw that, we understand that. But here's the structure. There were politics. That's why someone would take a team that is winning already and change it.
Because of those politics.
It's because now I'm being the president and I come with my cabinet. But a wise man would do it chronologically. As a jump easy. Or no, when you are a president, no detender how.
What jumpy?
What jumpy is a relax. And again, when you judge this thing, be professional.
Yes.
In a way, Tibo, much as I dislike you, I may dislike you. If you're a good interviewer, You're a good interviewer. I must put personal circumstances aside.
Yes.
Kiri, Thibo is a good analysis. It's fine as a person, I don't like him. But we are running business. Here's a structure that was existing. Let us start from here and build a team. And then if I'm changing things, I'll change them gradually. Do you understand? Ribeiro is very dangerous. But anyway, we don't want not to Arabatu deny. Again, remember, it was not like Sundowns is not, they still have good personnel and stuff.
Yes.
And I still believe in the structure. I'm saying, and I did say, to master anything in life, you need 10 years. Research has taught us that.
Yes.
Sundowns is under construction.
Yeah.
And that construction will take a decade.
10 years.
You do the math in terms of building and rebuilding this team.
Yo.
That was not even broken.
Yo.
Because I want to give credit also to the Stellenbosch Mafias.
Yes.
The Stellenbosch Mafias have a philosophy and a structure. And I think for the first time in the history of South African football,
yes,
we are going to see a coach who will be serving a team for many years in this team. Because they've got a structure. You can tell this coach goes to the development level, your team, and building up the team. And by the way, it's a philosophy.
Yes.
It's a philosophy of the team. It's not a one-man show.
Yes, Doc.
Then this is what they do. And Ribeiro is very dangerous. They always push him to where? To his weaker foot, to his right. That's why there was a first time where he pushed the ball to his left. That's why he's deadly. Allow him to get to his right. He's very deadly, the guy. Ribeiro is very deadly. It's very deadly. If you use him correctly, he's very deadly. Each time he cuts to the left, he will punish you. He cut to the left, Wahopula, Adala Lili, Le Pirates ka final.
Yes.
Apasa Temba Mshishi.
Yes.
And then Temba Akora. And again, let me say, I did say last week, Bataraki contradict. I said Mshishi, he won't be effective because the system here is not the system that he mastered in the last decade.
Yes, doctor.
Don't bother yourself about the tactics and everything here.
Yes, doctor.
This is the reason why Temba Mshishi ubatla second ball. Utrapa ball or dancer, pass the second ball. That's how he passes. This football that they play, it allows individuals to shine. Sundowns is not an individual kind of team. It's as a team. Tika taka. Rona irmaka traitiba from Bennett Nguni. Traitiba Sundowns. You understand? Kitime dancer nginte shapas gubu komarinka. Nakomwa bora. They control the tempo of the. We know that Sundowns has been dominant in terms of ball playing. We know that. It's given. You cannot change that structure when I know. Ulemang. Even the president himself, Alatheti billion, Patrice Motsepe couldn't change the philosophy of Mamelodi Sundowns. Who are you to come there? And maybe they need the legends, Mamelodi Sundowns, but fire Masilela, but about this culture, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
Never mind about winning. Teams lose. It's fine. But here is what I'm telling you. They always pushed Ribeiro. He became deadly. Hakataka left, Apasa, Aropasa Neto, one quality. Top quality, Ashapa corner. Ashapa Mudiba, Hata, he's got the power, he's got a left foot, a strong woman. Now let's let the ball. Understand? They are very strong. What they did, so that he cannot attack. If that's why I said, teams have now studied Mamelodi Sundowns. What they have done, if you allow Sundowns to build from the back, they are deadly. So by the Baba Marker from Haba Builder, from the consolidation. Yes, from consolidation. They have mastered this. That's why I did say Karpuluku and City have, the coaches of South Africa, by Improville. They now check the opponent. You understand?
Yes.
It's not really about playing your own football, but you also analyze your opponent more than yourself because you know yourself better.
Exactly.
So you need to analyze your opponent. Or okay, Sundowns, they build from the back. What do we do? Let's Arba Makeka Mushela, Arba Makeka Dijon, Arba Makeka Titus. Let's press them. Will you deny them the opportunity to build? You understand? And yet again, the house is under construction. What is that? They cannot build anything. That's why buy back, ushebebu alende. Quality after quality. if you had allowed those people to play according to their strength, Sundowns, it's a ball hole, they could have easily won this game. They could have easily won this game. And Shalulile will still struggle.
Kapetwe.
He will still, you know why?
Why?
You cannot bother Shalulile. He's not doing that, he's not doing that, he's not doing that. No. His job is to score.
Finish and clap.
Is to score. Why would you then want him to build for you to do? While there's this kind of quality that is in the team to build from. You've got your Temba Mshish, there's cream de la cream after team, cream Sundowns. Allow them to build. Shalulile, those runs, a dive the ball or a sharpen the shot. That's his primary job and that's his job. So for us to be Rikishelena or the tactics, these are politics. I did tell you Mshish is not happy.
Does he want to go?
PhD ayang Kenya officing like sa Kenya na phela. Kya khona kena officing.
Tell me, Tom.
Yeah, go Sundowns. From contractual. This boy, let me tell you, Naka PhD ayang Chailar San Mshish.
Yes.
There were teams that wanted him, even from Europe, even in his playing days. But he has sacrificed so much that he has not lived to his full potential. He was supposed to be playing in Europe and to be known throughout the world. This boy is a star. But he has equally given so much to Sundowns. Half what Sundowns has given to him, he has given to Sundowns. And he knows that it's only one. PhD or officing. And I can tell the team in the matter whether it was disclosed in the paper or what, don't tell me about that. It is me, Kaibu Akere, Mutole never matter.
Overseas.
And he knows they denied him that opportunity to shine maybe somewhere called Barcelona or anything. So now he knows I've given my heart
to this team
and soul to this team. That's why legend, you'll hardly find him Shishi. He has played a crucial role in Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes. That's why Lebatu Babang was understanding what's about ring. Last Hakirim Shishi doesn't miss one-on-one, is not happy. What's about ring? Barry, Tamia Shevili, understand. Let me tell you, if I greet you every day, the day Nkasudu Medi saying you will remember.
Exactly.
The reason why we remember Mushishi once lost one-on-one is because Nako Panalisipo China save. I mean goal say 2, say 3. That is, but we know who is whether be it Bafana, he always scores. He's not happy psychologically because there are players that are happy now. Because it's clear, this thing, politics are everywhere, man. It's a political football. There's a new coach, new department, new people. And those ones, they know, okay, we almost won an invincible. Why are we not playing? I almost win an invincible with this team playing, being a regular player. And then now when the season starts, you put me on the bench.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
How come?
Oh, Rabata lifestyle audit. Labaring. Mabena. Asalio.
Marasiras, Buffet.
I'm not saying it's bad, the boy 1 number 43 or what. But I'm saying the Mabena is proven. He's a, and again, you're denying because Mabena has potential to compete with the likes of Mufukeng, if not become better. It is proven. We're expecting you. He was introduced. Rulani and Nantam introduced. They were together. Now give him more time. Then Ukenya, this guy who plays with the left, I'm not saying he's a bad player. I'm saying he needs to grow with the level of the game, with the confidence. You understand? Every time he's pushing, and they expect so much from him. Udula push a ball and you don't become a Lebukhile Mufukeng Kaltasle one. Even him himself, he didn't become the Lebukhile Apasang Dinete Kaltasle one. You understand? Every time when you're a left winger, go to your right. If the defender is not marking you, because something. Defenders are how a winger right left?
Yes.
They always, but say about you'll always look for your stronger foot. You'll cut to the left.
Yeah.
How about deny a left? Go to your right. Deliver a cross. Because now you'll become predictable. Every time you're going out, you cut to the left. That's what they did. They were winning most of the balls. Now she cannot make the team tick because of what? Everybody is so far away from me. From him, I mean to say. Do you know that Telkom? that
Nakusothala.
that advert
Advert ya 95.
the connection is far away from each other. But when you're playing those short passes, you are closer to each other. There's no need for Muruku Batakule. Mshishi cannot be playing those long balls. Amat, he doesn't have legs. He's got experience. He's got the skill. Ta. What's up, V? What's Baldro? Pelocha Sundowns early. Do you understand that Sundowns Nenalu trainer Bakikwezi Mumashong?
Oh.
But feel a ball, but so Okakwala Maso ball, Omualida.
You can't.
Look at squad because uto chase about but only Hilia Filana. You know Rakiada. But this is how they train. When I go that side, I know the other players going the other side. That's why when I Nashapa did tende mchish. Uto Chapas tende mutali kwa hule. Ukas Chapas tende Uchanta Mateka ball. Whatever the other one will go to my back and then Moki Kifitang thing. I see a fella. Uto ink. That's why never lose the never dala chess.
Hi, Dr. Tammy.
Never dala chess.
Tlamile ke kwale Dr. Tammy.
Israel.
Who was your
I know
man of the
even next
match?
time analyze Louis analyze.
Aye, you've given us enough about
Yeah,
the politics.
I was just giving the substance.
No,
Next
Doctor.
week, anything.
Kore
Next week, Mjela, underrated. Very underrated, Mjela. And we must go away with this nonsense. I'll reprise about it because they are playing for Chiefs and Pirates even when they are not doing anything. Mjela is quality. Mjela is quality. It's just that we don't like celebrating our own.
Was he your man of
We
the match?
don't mind coach Nkaba to get 60 million Basa next. I'm not against people that are abroad. I'm not against. But you can't give Mjela because you know him. You don't want to give Mjela because you know him. Oh, the quality Mjela, man.
Was he your man of the match?
Man of the match, the goalkeeper high.
We can say airtime ya 10 rand, Costa 144 star 8 hash.
Yeah, Kikente Brawak.
You stand a chance to win a meal.
Yeah.
As the last man standing of MTN.
Yeah. By the way, finalist, the only team to go to MTN finals 3 times in a row in PSL era. But I can't come.
How told me?
Hey, man, I can't sleep. Sorry.
Thank you, man.